Lancaster Mixers' counter-current mixing technology provides for superior homogeneous mixes. The pan rotates clockwise while the mixing tool rotates counterclockwise, creating a tremendous amount of shear that allows for an extremely effective mix. Let's look at the same mix in slow motion. The rotating pan transports materials to the high-speed mixing tool. This action eliminates dead spots as every particle passes through the mixing tool every few seconds. As new yellow particles are added to the mix, they are homogenized into the mix extremely quickly. Visit lancasterproducts.com to learn more about our high-performance mixing and pelletizing technology.